Unraveling the meaning of Draconian, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word Draconian. You might have heard this word being used in different contexts, but what does it actually mean? In this video, we're going to delve into its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Draconian is an adjective that is used to describe laws, rules, or measures that are extremely harsh and severe. When someone refers to a law or a rule as draconian, they mean that it is too strict and that it is causing suffering or hardship. For example, if a school has a rule that students must pay a huge fine for being late, you might say, "That's a draconian rule." The word draconian has a fascinating history. It originates from ancient Greece, named after a legislator named Draco. In the 7th century BCE, Draco wrote the first written code of laws for Athens. However, these laws were infamous for their severity. Minor offenses were punished by death, and the only punishment Draco ever wrote was execution. Hence, the term draconian came to be associated with extreme harshness and severity. Now that you know what draconian means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use it in sentences. 1. Describing laws or rules. You can use draconian to describe laws, rules, or measures that are very harsh. For example, the government's draconian policies have caused widespread discontent. 2. Describing actions or decisions. Draconian can also be used to describe actions or decisions that are perceived as excessively harsh. For example, the manager's draconian decision to fire half of the staff was met with backlash. 3. Expressing disapproval. Often, when people use the word draconian, they are expressing disapproval of the harshness of a rule, law, or decision. So, it's a word that carries a negative connotation. And that wraps up our discussion on the word draconian. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own English conversations. Remember, draconian is a powerful adjective to describe something extremely harsh and severe, originating from the strict laws of the ancient Athenian legislator, Draco. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.